Hello and welcome to Coldfall Woods in Muswell Hill, just moments from the period house that we're going to be looking at today. The property, which has been in the same family for over 40 years, offers tremendous scope for a new family to come in, redesign, refurbish and extend to their own taste and specification. I'm sure you're going to love it as much as I do, but just before we take a look, let me show you why I love living in Muswell Hill. I've been Leigh Brown, this has been Coppetts Road. For more info or to arrange an in-person viewing, please get in touch.